Wow, look at that. If you like silicone cases, this is a must buy for your Google Pixel 7 Pro. This is the very best silicone case I have ever used in my life. This thing is phenomenal. Look at this case. Let me show you. Not only is the design cool, right? I mean, look at that. Look at that back. It provides grip for your fingers when you hold it. It's got grips on the sides here. And then just look at this drop protection. Look at this thing. It's got camera protection. It's got, this is the single layer. They double up here, and then they triple up around the border. And it's not really bulky. If you like silicone cases, you're definitely going to want to buy this. Now, I know what you're thinking. Yes, it is a light purple color. I originally bought this for my wife for her Pixel, and I was using it for the last few days because I like to use the cases for a few days before I review it. Just to tell just to let you know if there's anything that worries me or bothers me. I was using a case a few weeks ago for a review, and when I hold the phone like this, just normal operations, there was something down here, not on this case, but another case. There was something sharp on here, and it basically wore, was digging into my finger here, and that's why I like to use these cases before I review it. And there is absolutely nothing wrong with this case. In fact, it's quite the opposite. I think this is one of the best cases I've ever used, to be honest with you. If you like silicone, you're going to want to buy this. I'll put a link in the description, and I'll go over and review the different colors they have and the price, because it's super cheap. You cannot pass this up. So it's traditional silicone. It feels good in the hand. It's bendable. It's soft. It's got the felt inside, except this is not your traditional silicone case. Your traditional silicone case, which I do like using them, on the other hand, I don't, because I can't take them outside. I can't take them outside of the house or the office, just because it does not really provide any drop protection. This one provides a ton of drop protection. Look at those four corners. See how they're reinforced with extra material? And you got nice big cutouts for the charging port, speakers. You got your mic up top. You have the ton of camera protection, and the grooves in the back. See where the fingers go? Basically, when you hold this, those grooves come into play depending on how you use your phone or hold your phone. If you grip it like this when you're walking with it, if you hold it like this when you're using it, your fingers fit right into place. Look at that. Right into place when you're using it. And it's got grips on the sides here, so it doesn't fly out of your hand. And look at the inside. It's got that ribbed inside there. And it's got huge air pockets. Look at that air pocket. That absorbs the impact if you drop it. So this provides a ton of drop protection. It didn't say, some manufacturers will say drop, 26 times at 48 inches or whatever. It didn't say that. However, it does say drop protection engraved on the inside. And again, this was for my wife, but I stole it for a few days because I was told her I was going to review it. But I absolutely love this thing. Took it outside the house. I do think it would survive basically a normal drop. I think it would survive a drop on concrete, asphalt, gravel from 3 to 4 feet. Don't know about, eye level 6 feet, but not many people are dropping them at 6 feet. So let's go ahead and put this on again and just double check everything. Oh, and I'll show you my favorite feature of this. Look at this camera protection. It not only provides protection for the camera bar, but look at that protection for the lens. Nice big cutout. It's deep in there. So if you drop it on its back, it's definitely going to be protected. It's got nice cutouts for the camera sensors, the mic, and the LED flash. Nice cutout for the charging port. All of the chargers in the home had no issues. Nice cutout for the speakers, grips, mic cutout up top. Your buttons, let's hear them. Nice clicky. Now, it does not, sorry about that screen. The case does not lift up the screen protector whatsoever. Now, look at that cutout for the top speaker. Real nice and big. My favorite feature about this is look at the lip protection you get on there. This lip protection is bigger and greater than basically almost any of my other cases, especially the dual layer cases that are meant to provide maximum drop protection. The lip on this thing is amazing. It just gives you added protection. If you drop your phone on the corner, face down, your screen is very far away from the ground compared to other cases. Definitely going to provide, look at that, a ton of screen protection if you drop it. I mean, look at that. You're not going to find that on another silicone case. You're not going to find the grips on the other silicone cases. You're not going to find a dual and triple bumpers on other silicone cases. You're just not. You're not going to find this cool design on other silicone cases. This is the very best silicone case. Now, let's see here. It doesn't really have a name brand. Basically they just give it it's a generic case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. $2.62. Now, they've gotten better on their shipping since the pandemic has kind of subsided. During the pandemic, it would take 3 to 4 weeks for shipping. Now, it takes basically 5 to 7 days. I think this one came in about 7 days. So they've gotten a lot better with their shipping speed in the past 6 months. Let's see. That is they got these different colors for this case. Now, since doing yesterday, I ordered a bunch more for my personal usage, and I can also review them as well. But look at all these colors they got. I think the one here is this one where my thumb is at. Just a ton of cool colors. And super cheap. Let's see what they got them for. 6A, 7 Pro, Pixel 7. So, let's say I got these 7 Pro. Let's say, and don't worry about ordering on AliExpress. I know they get a lot of crap from some people. We don't have any affiliation. The links I put in the description, we don't get money from or anything. I'm just passing along a good deal, but it's very easy. Never had any issues with them whatsoever. So if I wanted to get the red case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro in this style, I'm simply going to go to buy now. And okay, so total comes out to $424 with tax and shipping is $1.29. So you can get this case for $4.24. Okay, if you were going to buy this on Amazon, it would be for the very best silicone case, you're going to be looking at least $20. So you're saving basically $20, and all you got to do is wait a few extra days. Ready? So I'm just going to go ahead and order this, and we're good to go. So I got another one coming, and we'll review that one when it gets in. So if you got any comments, any questions, please leave that in the comments section. Please subscribe for more case reviews. We got some more cases coming for the 7 Pro, S23 Ultra, and some more cool tech stuff. So I do appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.